Hey, it's Papa Ray. With Mother's Day coming up, I've got two words instead of one. The words for today from Papa Ray are time and attention. And I have my mom's picture back here. Hope you can see it with my dad. Mom's Day is coming up. I worked with a youth group in the Methodist Church once, and we were approaching Mother's Day. And I went to the chalkboard. Remember those? And I said, tell me what you're going to give your mom. And they said cards, flowers, candy, gift certificate to a massage. I said, okay, put a dollar mark by everything that costs money. Well, they all did. I said, I have an idea. Let's play with these lemons. I had poured a whole bunch of lemons out on the floor in front of them. And I said, pick one up, the one that you like, and hold on to it. I want you to get acquainted with it. Do whatever you need to do. Don't put a mark in it. You can't put a mark in it. But spend some time getting acquainted with your lemon. And they did. Then we put them back in the pile. Oh, well, first I had to put their initial on it with permanent marker. Put your lemon back in the pile. We're going to blindfold you and see if you can find your own. Guess what they did? They actually did. So I said, now let's go back. Oh, by the way, this is a pretend lemon. Go back to the chalkboard. Look at what you did. Everything that you wanted to do cost money. Finding the lemons did not. Perhaps the greatest gift we can give our mom for Mother's Day is our time and our attention. The word for today from Papa Ray is time and attention. God bless you.